Welcome to the channel. Today, we're checking out the top 5 best stud finders, essential tools for anyone tackling home improvement, hanging shelves, or mounting a TV. Whether you're a seasoned DIYer or just starting out, a reliable stud finder can save time and prevent costly mistakes. I've picked the best options based on accuracy, ease of use, and overall value. Don't forget to check the description for up-to-date prices and product details. And if you enjoy honest, no-fuss reviews, be sure to subscribe and tap that notification bell so you never miss a video. Let's get started, kicking things off with number 5 on our list. Number 5. Prexiso 2-in-1 Stud Finder. The Prexiso 2-in-1 Stud Finder combines a powerful wall scanner and a laser level in one compact tool. It features 3 scanning modes to detect wood, metal, and live AC wires, ensuring safe and efficient installations. The integrated laser projects automatic lines to guide marking, while red LED indicators show stud edges clearly. With an included 360 degrees rotating wall mount and multiple fixing options, it suits various surfaces including rough or smooth walls. The laser works up to 30 feet indoors for accurate alignment. It includes bubble vials for enhanced visibility in low light. The backlit display and sound alerts simplify operation. Ideal for hanging shelves, TVs, or pictures, this tool offers safety, precision, and ease. Includes a Type-C cable, carrying bag, and adhesive strips. Calibration is required before use. A great multifunctional tool for any home or workshop. Number 4. Franklin Sensor's Pro Sensor Max Stud Finder. The Pro Sensor Max is one of the most advanced stud finders on the market, offering unmatched accuracy with 13 precision sensors. Unlike conventional models with only 1 or 2 sensors, this tool provides a clear display of both the center and edges of studs, even detecting double and irregularly spaced studs. It scans up to 2.5 inches deep, ideal for thick or multi-layered walls. No calibration is needed. Simply press the button and start scanning anywhere, even over a stud. The wide LED display helps you visualize the entire stud. With 2 detection modes, it works through drywall, lath and plaster, MDF, and more. Durable and easy to use, it includes extra features like a bubble level, low battery indicator, and a pencil caddy. Great for professionals and DIYers alike. Requires 2 AA batteries. Number 3. Prexiso 5-in-1 Wall Scanner. This 5-in-1 wall scanner from Prexiso is designed for versatile home or professional use. It detects wood and metal studs, AC live wires, and includes ultrasonic measuring features for distance, area, and volume. It also features a laser marking tool with retractable pins to accurately mark positions on wood or wallpaper, not for stone/metal walls. A clear digital display and audio alerts guide users to hidden objects. With automatic calibration, it ensures accurate and reliable detection up to 1.5 inches deep. Ergonomically designed, it's comfortable to hold and easy to use. Ideal for locating studs, pipes, and wires behind walls, floors, and ceilings. Great for tasks like installing shelves, TVs, or cabinets. The built-in laser marker and warning system enhance both precision and safety. Note: moisture may impact accuracy. Laser output is under 1 milliwatt, Class 2. Number 2. Zirkcon A00 Stud Finder. The Zirkcon A00 Stud Finder is a compact and reliable tool for locating wall studs and live AC wires. Its wire warning detection alerts you to live, unshielded electrical wires, enhancing safety during scanning. With a patented spotlight pointing system and over-the-stud indicator, this tool accurately identifies both edges and centers of studs. Lightweight and ergonomically designed, it fits comfortably in any hand and works at all angles. It operates on a 9V battery, not included, for optimal performance. Simple to use, it requires minimal setup. Just press the button and scan the wall. It's ideal for hanging frames, installing shelves, or performing renovations without damaging hidden wires. Works well in both stud scan and deep scan modes, giving you flexibility depending on wall thickness. Whether you're a DIYer or pro, the A100 helps you locate studs with confidence and accuracy. Number 1. Franklin Sensor's Pro Sensor T13 Stud Finder. The Franklin Sensor's Pro Sensor T13 is built for top-tier accuracy, featuring 13 sensors to detect the full width, edges, and center of studs all at once. Unlike traditional models that require calibration, the T13 is ready to use instantly. Just press the button and start scanning. It works through drywall and other materials, even over irregular configurations like double studs. With a max detection depth of 1.7 inches, it's perfect for most standard home walls. Durable and rated highly by pros, this tool includes a built-in bubble level, integrated ruler, and pencil caddy for added convenience. It runs on 2 AA batteries, not included, but note it's not compatible with rechargeable batteries. Whether you're hanging a picture or mounting a TV, the T13 offers fast, precise results every time, making it a favorite among DIYers and contractors alike. I hope this video helped you. If you found this review useful, please give it a thumbs up and share this video. Don't forget to subscribe and hit the bell icon so you won't miss any of our future reviews. And as always, if you have any questions or recommendations, feel free to leave them in the comments below.